Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Bake with Shivesh. Today we are making a beautiful no-bake mango custard tart. So let's get started. Let's start by working on the base of the tart. For that you need 2 cups of biscuit crumbs. So I'm taking some ParleG biscuits here, about 260 grams. I'll blitz them in a food processor and then measure 2 cups of that. Now all I need to do is to combine those biscuit crumbs with 1 cup of melted butter. Give it a good mix, and just like that, the base of my tart is almost ready. This looks good. I have a 9-inch tart pan here with a removable bottom. You don't need to grease it or line it. Just transfer the biscuit butter mixture directly onto it and then spread it evenly. Press it into the bottom and up the edges of the tart. Once your tart pan is lined with the biscuit mixture properly and evenly, we'll set it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's start working on the custard filling. I have half a liter of full fat milk here in a saucepan that I've set over medium heat. I'll bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, I've taken 1/4 cup of milk. I'm adding custard powder to this and I'll give it a good mix until it's smooth and lump free. Alright, this looks good. I'll add it to that saucepan with the milk in it and I'll bring the entire mixture to a boil. And now to this, I'll add in powdered sugar and mix it in as well. Once the custard comes to a boil and looks nice and thick, I'll set it off the heat, transfer it to another bowl. I'll also cover it with plastic wrap and then let it set in the refrigerator for about 30 to 40 minutes. My tart shell is ready and so is my custard filling. It's now time to put everything together. This looks good. I'll cover the tart again with plastic wrap and let it set in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. And now it's time to decorate a properly cool tart with mangoes. Me being the extra person that I am, decided to slice them thinly and arrange them into a beautiful mango rose on top. I honestly feel like summer is the best time to make no-bake desserts, and especially when they're so light, fresh and easy to make, it's always a win. I'm honestly obsessed with this crunchy biscuit base, the soft custard and the fresh mango on top. It's absolutely amazing and I hope you guys will try this recipe at home. If you do, don't forget to send pictures to me on my Instagram at Shivesh17 and I'll come to you guys next week with another recipe. So keep watching and happy baking. So good.